Hi, good morning. I'm John, the registered nurse working in this hospital outpatient clinic. May I know the reason for your visit today?
Nurse, I'm here to remove my daughter's earwax because she has an earwax buildup that has been making her more uncomfortable.
I can understand why that would be worrying. A blocked feeling in the ears can be very distressing, but it's often related to earwax buildup. Don't worry, we are here to help you. May I know your name for a better communication?
I'm Sarah.
Thank you, Sarah. Could you tell me your daughter's name and age for documentation?
Nurse, she's Kathy and she's almost 7 years old.
May I know if a child has had an earwax removal before?
No, nurse, she has never had an earwax removal before. So could you tell me the procedure in detail?
Okay, Sarah, don't worry. Let me explain to you the procedure in detail. First of all, we will use a small section device to carefully remove the earwax from the ear. Then, we may also do an irrigation with warm water. But don't worry, it's a quick procedure. However, your daughter might feel some slight discomfort or a sensation of fullness in her ears during the procedure. And it's possible that she might feel dizzy. But if she does, we will just pause for a moment until it settles. It's a normal reaction. Therefore, I would highly recommend you to stay with your child during the procedure so that she'll be more comfortable. Do you have any questions or concerns?
Yes, nurse. Could you tell me the reason for this earwax removal? Is it really necessary to remove earwax regularly?
Okay, Sarah, your thoughts are quite reasonable. Removing the earwax is really important because if you do not remove the earwax on time, it can sometimes contribute to temporary hearing loss, persistent tinnitus, or earache. Therefore, it is really recommended to remove the earwax whenever necessary in order to prevent this kind of potential complications. By the way, could you tell me if your child has been using the eardrops as instructed by the doctor?
Yes, nurse, she has been using the eardrops as advised by the doctor, but I just want to know the effects of eardrops on the earwax removal.
Your worries are understandable, Sarah. Let me explain to you the effects of eardrops on the earwax removal. These eardrops will soften the wax in the ear so we can remove the earwax easily, and also it will cause only very less pain. Using the drops helps soften the earwax, making the removal process smoother and less uncomfortable. Okay, Sarah, I hope it's clear to you.
Yeah, nurse, I understand that. Could you tell me the recovery after the earwax removal, nurse?
Being a mother, I understand you're really worried about your daughter's prognosis, but that's something only your doctor can provide after we remove the earwax. The result really depends on the individuals. Please don't worry. The first step is to remove the earwax. Once it is done, your doctor will be able to decide on the best treatment to ensure a faster recovery for your daughter.
Nurse, what do we do if the earwax removal is incomplete?
I appreciate your thoughts, Sarah. Let me explain to you the next step if the earwax removal is incomplete. If the earwax removal is incomplete, you need to make a follow-up appointment with the doctor again. Then your daughter needs to repeat the eardrops as advised by the doctor. And finally, we need to remove the earwax again. I hope you got a better idea on what we do if the earwax removal is incomplete.
Yeah, nurse, I understand that. Thank you.
Glad to know that, Sarah. Now, can I get a consent for your child's earwax removal?
Sure, nurse, please go ahead.
Thank you, Sarah. Before starting the procedure, I would like to recap what we have discussed so far. We have discussed about the earwax removal procedure and its importance. And also, we discussed more about the prognosis after the earwax removal. And finally, the next step if the earwax removal is incomplete. I hope you understand that. Now please relax here. I'm going to make some arrangements to remove your daughter's earwax. In between, if you have any more questions or concern, you can just ask me. I would be happy to help you. Thank you, Sarah, for visiting our hospital outpatient clinic. I wish your child a faster recovery.